the first award, as I said, this is our oldest award. Since 2011, bears the name of Professor Derek Fray from University of Cambridge, and this Fray International Sustainability Award. There are 3 categories. One it is in politics, one it is in industrial corporations, and one it is in academia. This is from the beginning, since 2011. This is our oldest award. Then the citation, you see it there, I'm not reading it. So one it is for leadership in the public policy, one it is in the leadership in applying innovative business plans and operations, and the third one, developing new technologies. Now, which one is the first winner on the first Fray International Sustainability Award this year? So which one it is Robert Aumann, Professor and Nobel Laureate in Economics. He is 95 years old. He was planning to come, but something happened, and then we'll have his lecture tomorrow in the plenary. He will give a lecture by Zoom. Okay, I think we have it online. Professor Aumann, a pleasure to see you again. How are you?
You see me?
Yes, we see you. You are in a big screen, 9 by 5 meters.
9 by 5 meters. Okay, very good.
So
very
everybody
good.
is
I'm
here.
very pleased to get this award.
So were you following our show? Did you get the announcement?
Yeah, I heard the announcement just now, yes. Okay.
So you are the first winner of the night. You are the winner of Fray International Sustainability Award.
Very good. Okay.
So an applause for Professor
very proud
Robert.
to get this award.
So you are the first winner for tonight. And how you feel it at 95 years old, getting an award for sustainability?
I feel very good. I feel very good. I feel very good about it. And I hope the audience will come to my lecture, my plenary lecture tomorrow I guess it's at 11 o'clock your time. And I will speak about the economics of sustainability. Yes, I will speak about what in order to apply all the technological advances that are being presented in this convention, in this meeting. We have to get people to want to apply them. We have to give them incentives. So I'm going to talk about the incentives for applying the technological advances that are being presented at this conference.
Yes, magnificent. Fits very well. It cannot fit better than this. That's why you got the award, the first award in the event. You got the first Fray International Sustainability Award. I remember when we met for the first time, I think it was 2016. We are both giving a plenary lecture in Israel, and then you at that time, you presented a plenary lecture about how to achieve the best compromise.
Okay.
You remember that?
No, I don't remember it, but I give a lot of lectures, and I don't remember every one, but I'm sure, I'm glad you enjoyed the lecture. I'm glad you profited from it.
So, congratulations for the award. You can see the award.
Thank you very much.
So this is the award. You can see it. And the certificate,
Very
we're
good.
gonna
Thank you very
mail it to
much.
you. An applause, please.
Okay. Very good.
So, but
Thank you very, very
please,
much.
please stay on Zoom for a few moments, another 5 minutes, because we have another surprise for you.
Okay.
So, and then everybody is looking for your lecture tomorrow at 11 on Zoom. So
Okay, very
congratulations
good.
again.